this is Anurag Agarwal. Welcome back to BCS Academy. And as you have read the title, today we are going to learn 10 most important idiom and phrases that are oftenly asked in competitive exams and oftenly used in spoken English as well. So without any wastage of time, let's get started. पहला जो idiom हमारे सामने लिखा हुआ है वो है ABC. ABC का मतलब होता है बेसिक नॉलेज. एबीसी का मतलब होता है बेसिक नॉलेज. आपने लोगों को कहते हुए सुना होगा कि यार मुझे तो इंग्लिश की एबीसी भी नहीं आती. तो इस बात को हम अंग्रेजी में कहना चाहें तो कह सकते हैं आई डोंट नो इवन एबीसी ऑफ इंग्लिश. मैं इस एग्जांपल को यहां पर लिख देता हूं. आई डोंट नो Now let's move to the second idiom, that is fancy price. So the meaning of fancy price is a price which is asked to pay. जिसे हम अपनी भाषा में कहना चाहें तो कह सकते हैं मुंह मांगी कीमत. और इसके लिए आप एक एग्जांपल तैयार करें तो मैं कह सकता हूं कि मैं तुम्हें इस काम के लिए मुंह मांगी कीमत देने के लिए तैयार हूं. सो आई एम रेडी टू पे यू प्राइस फॉर दिस वर्क. Now let's move to the third one idiom, that is hand-packed husband. So the meaning of hand-packed husband is a husband who always works according to his wife. इसे अगर हम अपनी भाषा में कहना चाहें तो कह सकते हैं जोरू का गुलाम. तो इसके लिए अगर हम एक एग्जांपल लिखना चाहें तो लिख सकते हैं मिस्टर शर्मा इज अ hand-packed husband. If you know any hand-packed husband, so leave comments in the comment section. Now let's move to the fourth idiom, that is to take for granted. It is often used in spoken English that means to take something in an easy way. So here I can write an example for it. Don't take it for granted. Otherwise you can lose everything. इसे हल्के में मत लो अन्यथा तुम अपना सब कुछ खो सकते हो. Now let's move to the sixth idiom, that is to go in vain. So the meaning of to go in vain is to work that does not happen in the right way. व्यर्थ में जाना, जिसे हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं व्यर्थ में जाना. Whatever I do, everything goes in vain. मैं जो कुछ भी करता हूं सब कुछ व्यर्थ में चला जाता है, व्यर्थ हो जाता है. Now let's move to the sixth idiom, that is to get rid of. So the meaning of to get rid of is to want to leave something. किसी चीज से छुटकारा पाना, जिसे हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं. इसके लिए मैं एक एग्जांपल तैयार करूं तो आई वांट टू गेट rid of Mohan, he irritates me a lot. मैं मोहन से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूं, वह मुझे काफी तंग करता. To the seventh idiom, that is to break the ice. So the meaning of to break the ice, to break the silence. If I write an example for it, I can say after a very long time finally he broke the ice. एक बड़े लंबे समय के बाद फाइनली अब उसने चुप्पी तोड़ दी. Now let's move to the idiom, that is to come to blow. So the meaning of to come to blow is having a fight suddenly, having a sudden fight. I can say they had an argument and suddenly they came to ब्रो, उनके बीच में कुछ विवाद हुआ और अचानक वो हाथापाई पर आ गए. I hope you are enjoying the video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's move to the ninth idiom, that is to get into hot water. So the meaning of to get into hot water is to get involved in a problem. So if I say an example for it, why do you always get into hot water? तुम हमेशा परेशानी में क्यों पड़ते हो? Now let's move to the 10th idiom, and this is the final idiom, that is to put to bed. So the meaning of to put to bed is to make someone sleep. I can say an example. She is putting her baby to the bed. वो अपने बच्चे को सुला रही है. Now I think these idioms and phrases are very clear to you. If you liked something in this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, so please do subscribe my channel for new interesting English videos. Let's meet in my next video. Thank you.